Hey, welcome back to math. Morning state work actually. We do some math. But anyway, today's Friday, last day of the week, and we are working on 36.5, which as you notice is the last page in your morning state work packet, right? So sad, but true. Alrighty, so let's take a look. I forgot to write the problems down, but if you've got 889 and you're adding 101, go ahead and solve that, and what would you get? You done? Good. 9 plus 1 more is 10. You carried the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Nothing to carry. 8 plus 1 is 9 again. 990, right? Good. Now you got a subtraction. You got 677. Take away 528. Can we take 8 out of 7? Nope, we've got to go next door and borrow. How about 17 take away 8? That would give us 9, right? 6 take away 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5 from 6 is 1, okay? 543, 543, you guys could probably be finished with that before I even get it written because I have to write it down. So go ahead and see if you can beat me. Beat me to the punch. 285, let's see, did you beat me? You finished? Okay. Can you take 5 from 3? No, because there's more on the floor. Go next door. And now you have 13 take away 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 adds up, right? 3 take away 8. Can you take 8 out of 3? No, you got to go next door to the hundreds. Put that one right in front of the 3. Now you've got 13, which is 5, and 2. 258, 4 take away 2, okay? So you got 213 plus 461. See if you can beat me. I'll go slow. You should have beat me for sure because there's no regrouping here. 3 plus 1 is 4, 6 plus 1 is 7, 4, 5, 674. Okay, take a look at the table. Okay, they've given you the number 982, right? So you have to write the expanded form, pull it apart. 982 is 900, 9 in the hundreds place. I need something a little drier to deal with. Excuse me. All right, let's see. My pens are getting tired. 982 is 900, right? 982. 900 plus 8 tens, which is 80 plus 2. And then you have to write 982. 980 with a little dash, 2. 982. No ands necessary. Okay, so now they gave you the words 863. What does that look like? 863, right? No, that's why we have place value, right? It's 863. 863. And then you expand it by pulling it apart. 8 in the hundreds place is 800. 6 in the tens place is 60. And 3 in the ones place is 3. 800 plus 60 plus Great. Now they gave you the expanded form. They gave you 400 plus 40 plus 1. So take the 4 from the 400, take the 4 from the 40, take the 1 from the 1, and what do you have? 441, which would look like this. 440, F-O-R-T-Y, no U in the 41, 441. You know that the 4 has a U, right? But 40 does not. I remember being confused as a kid. I thought, why did they take the U away from the 4? I have no idea, but they did. Okay, so it says write a synonym, a word that means the same or about the same as the underlined word. Okay, word that means the same. I'll erase this just because I want to. Hey, it's Friday. Okay, so it says Nina enjoys sketching pictures of animals. What do you do when you sketch? There's a fly. You draw. She enjoys drawing. That is a synonym for sketching. She enjoys drawing pictures of animals. I was surprised by the amazing present. I was amazed. I was shocked. Shocked was probably more like surprise. Amazed might be a synonym to impressed. I was so impressed. I was so amazed. I was surprised. I was shocked. Right? Those would go together better. Write those down. I will get this off of here for now. Alrighty, you ready? The sentence, the clue says Farmer Sammy is in the field picking apples. I would say he's in the orchard picking apples because apple trees grow in orchards. Wheat grows in a field, but that's just me. Okay, so harvesting Sammy, tasty in grove is farmer apples the. And grove, that makes me think of oranges, but whatever. Okay, so Farmer Sammy would have to go first, right? So Farmer Sammy, 1, 2. What is Farmer Sammy doing? He is, number 3, harvesting, means picking. Number 4, what is he harvesting? Apples, but what kind of taste? Apples, tasty apples. So tasty would go next. Farmer Sammy is harvesting tasty apples in the grove, period. Alrighty, so goodbye. Goodbye, second grade morning seat work assignments. Just in time, huh? Alrighty, so write the sentence either now or in a few minutes after this, but I'll get everything ready for SR 36. So we have a number line, has an arrow on both ends because numbers are infinite. They go on, both negative and positive, but you will learn more about that. Don't know how many do you have. I need more. What does yours go up to? 18? I want to be like you. I want to be like you. It says divide 16 into equal groups of 2. So what would be our problem? Divide, right? We're dividing. What's the big number? Just like subtraction, big number goes first. 16 divided by 2. 16 divided into equal groups of 2. So go to the 16, count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Land on the 8, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Until you get to the 0 and you run out of numbers, how many jumps did you have to make? You made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many 2s are in 16? 8. And we can turn that around and say 8 times 2 will equal 16. 8 times you have a 2, you'll have 16, right? Good, that is a little bit of review. Using the bar graph, animals Brett saw on a hike. How many squirrels did he see? 8. How many chipmunks? 5. How many deer? 2. How many rabbit? 4. How many more squirrels than rabbits did Brett see? How many more than? We know we have a subtraction problem, right? So how many more squirrels? Squirrels is the more, so the more goes on top. How many more squirrels than goes on the bottom? How many rabbits? 4. There's your problem. Go ahead and subtract it out, and the answer would be 4 more squirrels, right? We're not going to measure a bulletin board with a piece of chalk or a paper clip right now, so forget that. So let's go down to find the rule. Remember these little tables? Remember these? We don't know the rule, but we have a very good clue, don't we? We're going to add a certain amount. Now there's a 2 and a 5. What do you add to 2 to get 5? 2, 3, 4, 5. You add 3, right? How about 6? Is that to 9? 6, 7, 8, 9. So what are we going to add to everything? 3. So what is 4 plus 3? What are you going to put there? 7. Good. What is 8? Go up here. Plus 3. 11. Good. Okay. So the next one is adding also. So they give you the 5. What do you have to add to 5 to get to 11? You have to add that to 6 to get 12. I think this is the easier one. How many do you add? 6 plus what makes 12? 6 and 6, right? That's a double. So you're going to add 6. 6 plus 6 makes 12. 6 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is 4 plus 6? Start with the big number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what is 3? Do we have a pattern here? 10, 11, 12. Do you think that's going to be 9? Probably, right? 6, 7, 8, 9. You added 1. Your number increased by 1. So your answer had to increase by 1, right? Okay. So that does it for SR 36, okay? So you guys go ahead and finish any of that, and then I will see you back here